So once you have your strip that has had the backing removed, you have your gel eyeliner and something to apply it with. Like I said, a foam applicator, sponge, one of these simple little things seems to work best. So once you have that ready, if I had 3 hands, you would be able to see what I'm doing, but I don't. I am applying a generous amount of black gel eyeliner onto the receiving surface, the white side of these strips. The more you use, the darker it will be. Just as a point of reference. It should look something like that when it's ready. The next step is you want to find the split in the plastic. You can see it in there. Basically, you got to pull this part away from the rest, like that. From here, you just got to make sure the placement's correct. So you can kind of see, like if I put it there, that looks like what we want it to look like when we close our eyes, right? When we're wearing a wing, something like that. Looks pretty good. All right, so give it a shot. Press along the strips to make sure you transfer everything over. You don't have to wait, but you don't have to rush. What's the rush? And then when you're ready, peel it off. And there you go. It's that easy.